They are listening the sounds of, I'm a sound engineer. I was with the Ministry of Communication 14 years. The grandmaster who knows how the sound engineering works, how the sound waves carries at 3.5 decibel. I was with the Ministry of Communication, Indian telephone industry, the master of master oscillator, which carries the sound. And I found within my 14 years of techno service that this is available to all of us easily. A communication system. By the time, what is the time? I am defining you the definition of time, teletransporting the inner management of enlightening from biosensual receptors, so that one can listen from the far, one can see from the far, and one can inhale the fragrance of wisdom also. One can taste by the tongue the taste of techno wisdom also. So by seeing the feelings, we can learn the techno system of Spitotech, how our eyes are functioning, how our ears are functioning, how our nose are functioning, how our tongue is functioning, how our fingers are functioning. Because biology describes about the biomechanical system of these sensual receptors. I'm not here to tell you about the biology. Biology is available. I'm talking about the elementary knowledge. Biology is a secondary knowledge, is a higher secondary knowledge. I'm here to tell you about the elementary knowledge of aliveness. Elementary life of aliveness carries the bio-body bag alive. Then after, biomechanical system functions. Then biology runs on blood. I'm giving you here the definition of blood. I've written in my research papers. I'm a research scholar. By last more than 30-40 years I am researching how our human systems are functioning, how our biosensual receptors are silent saintly seers. They are helping, they are cooperating to provide the knowings by seeing the feelings. So here, I am here to tell you about that factor. Our 5 biosensual receptors, they are having 5 techno souls. They are born experts. Mind is not a born expert. Mind is innocent, alone, orphan and blind, going in the journey of learning by seeing the feelings. That is the journey. Mind is made for that only. It is described in Vedas that mind is manah, anatma. Atma ne anatma ko racha hai. The soul, the Lord soul of bio-body bag, who inhales the air from outwardly environment, so that the solar energy can give aliveness and lunar energy can provide the life enjoying abilities to our 5 biosensual receptors. This is the simple fact. Beyond fact lies the truth. I am here to tell you about how the astroing of soul. Here just I am giving you a definition of soul, a specific omnipresence of undertaker of love, the techno love. Biosensual receptors are the techno lovers who provide a specific know-how of happening, specific happenings. One can see how the outlook is showing an invitation to welcome a resonance reception Then after, one can desire to know more about, then a teleconferencing, a spiritual teleconferencing in between the object who is providing the show and in between the seer eye who receives the reception of show goes for a resonance acceptance. When acceptance is done, then one can find that, very easily one can find that there is a desire to know about an object. Yes, that is the desiring energy is the remote control of our software which controls the biomechanical system of that software which holds a well expert techno status to go for a specific functioning. Eyes goes for just churning the derivings of outlook. Ears are for listening the sound pitch. And very surprisingly, in meditation, I found by exclusive research that sound energy never dies. Never dies. Sound energy remains immortal at the 0.320 decibel. I'm telling you, it is a invented discovery I done exclusively in 14 years while I was sitting with the master oscillator of telecommunications instruments we were making at Indian Telephone Industry, NANI unit of Ministry of Communication. There I found that there is a master oscillator which functions at 3.5 decibel. 3.5 decibel is the universal measuring yardstick where the sound pitch is telecommunicating. My voice is that. All the telecommunication factor is having a fixed measuring yardstick. Just like liter, just like yard, we are having a fixed teletransporting of communication system at 3.5 decibel. Decibel is the pitch of sound energy. But soul also talks. Yes, soul also communicates to souls, by the souls, because every soul is having a role and every role is having a soul. Soul is called a specific omnipresence of undertaker of love of role. So soul talks at 0.320 decibel. This is my discovery. This is my invention. I am here giving you a historical lecture. It is a historical lecture. History is creating because the whole world don't know how the spiritual technology is functioning. The whole world knows about the secondary and higher secondary knowledge. Now the time has come. The world should know about the elementary knowledge also, about how the aliveness is functioning. Without aliveness, no biology. How the spirit of aliveness is coming through air. How the aliveness coming through air, and who welcomes the air? Soul. The Lord soul of your bio body bag welcomes the air, receives the air, and through the air two energies are coming. Solar energy, one can see the solar enlightenings. Another is lunar energy, that is called the lunar enlightenings. And the light of those two enlightenings combines and provides mercurial chlorophyllings within our bio body bag. And all the functioning of biology, the biomechanical system of bio body bag, is running on that mercurial chlorophyllings which blows the glows of aliveness in blood. Blood is the divine liquid. Still science don't know about the elementary knowledge about blood. Blood is what? A body-loving, omnipotent, omnipresence of divine.